In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Themes and Modules section in HubSpot, a crucial feature for customizing your website and improving your user experience. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the user guide on HubSpot. To do that, simply open your web browser and enter the URL appna2.hubspot.com. Once there, you should find the user guide section that serves as a comprehensive resource for all things HubSpot. This is your home base for understanding and configuring various aspects of your HubSpot account. Once you've accessed the user guide, the next step is to click on Settings. You'll find this option in the navigation menu. Clicking on Settings will take you to a page where you can adjust and manage a wide array of configuration options. Think of it as the control center for customizing your HubSpot experience, from the basic user interface nuances to more complex back-end operations. Now, in the Settings area, take a look around and locate Themes and Modules. This is a pivotal section for anyone looking to personalize the look and feel of their website. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page specifically for Themes and Modules. This area is tailored to those who wish to customize their website with pre-designed themes or create a unique experience using modules. Next, you'll notice an option called Alerts. Click on this as it's an integral part of managing notifications related to your themes. Alerts can help ensure that you are aware of any important updates or changes, keeping you in the loop with what's happening with your configurations. After managing your alerts, your attention should then shift to Themes. Click on Themes to explore the various design templates available to you. These themes can significantly impact the appearance and user interface of your site. By exploring the available themes, you can select one that aligns with your brand's identity and functionality needs. Each theme usually comes with its own distinctive features and customizability options, so take your time to review them. Finally, navigate your way to the Modules section by clicking on it. Modules are essentially the building blocks of your web pages, providing flexible content areas that you can adjust according to your preference. They enable you to add, modify, and organize your website content efficiently. Exploring this section allows you to better understand how you can leverage these building blocks to craft a website that meets your specific requirements. By the time you complete these steps, you should have a fundamental understanding of how to navigate and utilize the themes and modules in HubSpot. This knowledge is empowering as it allows you to create a tailored and effective online experience for your visitors. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.